Papa Bear.
Oh my God! You again?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
You're back!
Yeah, I'm back.
You're
Malaki ba?
Jeffrey! You're Jeffrey!
How did you know?
Of course. He sounds so foreigner.
Yeah, and your voice is very, popular.
Yeah.
Diba? Waiting so long. Much better now. I'm here again.
Oh my God, I'm happy to have you back, huh?
Yeah.
What can I do for you? What can we do for you?
No, I asked,
Jeffrey, Philippines? Jeffrey, Philippines?
yeah. I'm asking apologize because I'm not going in Monday.
Yes! We have Renny Boo!
Yeah,
Here.
You promised before that you're coming here.
Yeah, you're coming.
Yeah, but I hear the news that Papa Pico is in there surfing.
Yes! Last Monday?
Oh, last Monday.
I wasn't surfing then.
Papatulit only, Papa Bear.
Yeah, I wasn't surfing. I was just crying last Monday.
Oh, that's a sad news.
Yeah.
Yes. No surfing, that is so.
Oh my God, you're a joker. I hate you.
We want to laugh.
How are you? How are you? What's new? What's up?
I'm okay. I'm enjoying my day of last Sunday.
Monday? So,
every Monday of the week? No, that is the problem. Once in a month only.
Once in a month is your day off?
Yeah.
Oh my God! So you have to do the most of your day.
Yeah.
What did you do last day off?
I'm with my girlfriend.
Oh.
So how was it? How was it?
Did you maximize it?
Yeah, I need to maximize because I come back.
How did you maximize?
What did you mix? No, we are going in Molly.
Oh, you're going in Molling, huh?
I thought you mixed cement.
There were two Gerard in one sentence, huh? You're going Molling, huh? Okay.
So what did you buy for her? A simple clothes only.
A simple what?
A simple gift, clothes only.
Clothes only? Oh, it's more than one dress or clothes, huh?
That's clothes.
Clothes, huh?
That's so cute.
Cute. Yeah, I love this. So what style of clothes?
What style of clothes?
Clothes.
Clothes.
Clothes. Yeah. Is it backless, tubeless, or speechless? What?
No, I don't like that. That is t-shirt only.
T-shirt only.
Oh, it has something there in front, a print, printed what? A print?
Yeah.
Only toothpick, that is special name of the product.
Especially.
Maybe it's sabon or it's shampoo like that? No.
Is she...
Most commonly product in clothes.
Most commonly products in
What is that?
It starts with letter what? It starts.
Letter P?
Letter P.
I know
Ano, Papa Bear?
Yes,
I know
what is
that the most popular clothing company
What
in the
is
Philippines,
that?
letter P?
Yeah.
That's Bench.
It's not Takiko, right? It's Pence?
No. Not Bench.
It's not. If it's not Pence,
Yes.
it's the
Something else, yeah.
It's combination of Kitty and Pooh.
What?
No. I know now the answer.
Letter P.
Letter P is Pooh Kitty. Am I right? I'm so sorry, but that is not correct.
That's not correct. Letter P, well known, popular.
Popular.
Oh, letter P, I know it.
What is that?
I knew it. It's a letter P. Popular. Huh? P-Vice.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
No? Oh no.
No.
Oh,
By the way, somebody's asking for your number. She wants a tutorial, a private tutorial with you. Grammar tutorial.
because he's good in English.
Yeah.
So are you willing to teach Jeffrey English language to this person?
Nobody's perfect, but I try to do my best to teach that person.
To do your duty to God and country. I
That is the voice son of the Philippines.
Oh my God. Okay. Somebody's asking if somebody wants your advice.
About what?
About what? Let me read it, okay?
Yeah.
Sabi kay Jeffrey, what will I do if I don't have my period yet?
Oh,
Maybe my boyfriend and I doing it for so long. Now, day doesn't come. What will I do, says Abby.
That is the problem of that girl.
Yeah, Abby.
Yeah, Abby is not, what you call this?
What?
He not take care of his,
What?
Di ka na nag-ingat.
You didn't take care.
You did not think.
Oh, so what? Careless whisper, huh? So what's your advice? What say you?
Now, I advise that girls, because they do that, meaning they have too strong responsibilities on that, because they do like that.
Like that? Like what? Like what?
What I mean is, if there is a delicious happen, that is
Delicious happen.
that is another problem of sacrifice.
If there is delicious happen, meaning there's a responsibility, right?
Yeah.
And thank you for your guidance to me. No problemo.
Condition in my tongue. That's the problem.
Yeah. I know sometimes our tongue is not connected with our brain. I know. It happens, huh? Because the language we are using right now is not our native tongue. So if ever... this is my native tongue. Oh my God! In my place? Yeah. Speaking English like Jeffrey? Yeah, like sit, good, dog, baby don't. Like that. Because I'm an ate.
Papa Bear, this is the result of my calling many times because I'm many poop.
What calling you have?
No, I call many times but I cannot come in this station.
So you're just apologizing.
No, just apologize.
Like what you said. Like what you said a while ago. You want to say, ano yun? What? I want to say apologize. Like what you said. You know what? It's too late to apologize. Yes. It's too late.
Why, Papa Pito? I know what to do.
Because you already made a promise.
Yeah, this is the code. The promises are made to be broken.
No? Promises is made to be broken. Yung are made pala. Yan. For Jeffrey, can I know, may I know your address? Yes. Where you from now?
Address, if you know this, many Chinese are come here.
Because he takes care of the house of the rising sun. Oh, yeah. I'm wondering, Papa Kiko and Jeffrey.
Yes, Papa.
I just want to ask something.
It's okay.
Let me talk. Let me ask you. Your boss is a Chinese, right? Chinese.
If you know, he is Tibetan.
Tibetan?
Tibetan.
Tibet! Oh, the one with what mountain is that? The highest mountain in the whole world? What's that? The Mount Apo? Mount Everest. Everest, yes. In Tibet. If you're... that's my cousin. What? Tibet Logan. If you're... the better half of Mark. Okay, let me continue my statement and my question rather. If your boss is a Chinese one, he love a Chinese garter?
No.
Huh? No, and he's speaking English too? Like you?
English, but they influence my grammar. That's why this is the result.
So you're blaming your grammar to the other natives? Yes.
No, they are three.
Somebody's asking from the text line if you are a foreigner. Yeah. Kasi may pamangkin is foreigner, Papa Bear. Oh, may pamangkin. Tapos?
I'm not a foreigner.
No! The superhero, Power Ranger! Power Ranger! Yeah, may pamangkin. Tito, look, I'm a superhero, I'm Power Ranger! Power Ranger! Like that. So, Jeffrey, what did you learn from this show? Because a lot of texters, not a lot, there are few texters who said that we are nonsense and we are not funny. Like,
no, that's not true.
What can you say about their reactions?
Oh, do not understand what is the real one of the station.
So what did you learn from us? May I know?
I learned from you because whenever I'm working, I'm always laughing even if I'm alone here working.
Even if! Yes, I love it! So in short, we accompany you, every day of your life.
Yeah, you are part of my life and you are very good in entertainment.
Wow! That's what I'm saying, di ba? Okay. We offer higher level of entertainment. Okay, Jeffrey, Philippines, don't put down the phone.
Yeah.
I'll be happy to talk to you for a longer time. That okay?
It's okay. Wait, papakito ha.
What's that?
I have special coat again.
You have a coat again?
Oh, Kit Kat.
Oh.
What is that name?
Ah,
Kitty?
a kitty?